welcome back. Today we are thrift flipping. I'm turning an old skirt into this really gorgeous Peter Pan collar, and I wanted to take you along the process and help you make something old into something new. Let's go. So this is the before. This is what I thrifted. It's a really gorgeous skirt with some embroidery and has some stains on it, so I'd love to bring it back to life. Here I'm placing my pattern piece of my collar on a strategic part of the embroidery, so that way it's the same on both sides. Be careful if you're like me and you have a skirt, you don't want to pin through both of them. Then you're going to cut your pattern pieces. So I cut 4 of these, 2 for the left and 2 for the right, front and back. So these are the front, and I tried to line up the embroidery as best I could to be symmetrical. Then I'm going to sew the back piece together. So this is it just sewn together in the back. Then I'm taking the hem of the skirt, which is already finished, and I'm going to sew 2 lines in it to make a gather. So you do not want to backstitch on this. Whenever you do gathers, you leave them unbackstitched. You take the 2 top threads and you pull them lightly and you start getting gathers. You start pushing those farther and farther down till it's all gathered. Then you're going to pin the gathers around your collar, and then you're going to take that to the sewing machine. And this is what the collar looks like with the gathers. Then you can see here the back 2 pieces are cut out, and I made these little strips to be a tie, which you don't have to do. You could do a hook and eye or a button at the center front closure instead. I have these pieces all pinned, but you do want to make sure you leave part of it open so that way you can flip it inside out when it's completed. This is the collar all sewn together. Then I'm going to take a needle and thread and hand sew the rest of the collar shut in the back. So this is the final collar. I'm gonna press it with the iron just to make it look a little extra nice. And this is it. It was super easy to make, and I hope to see you guys make them too. I absolutely love it, and I wanted to show you how I'd style it up. I'm obsessed with this graphic tee, and I think it gives it a little edgier look. So you can leave it untucked or tucked in like this. And then I paired it with these really cute dangly earrings. Then I have this gorgeous dress I thrifted in Paris. And what's cool about this collar is, like you can see here, you can really adjust it to match any kind of neckline. I want you guys to meet Mac. He's my brother's dog, and he really loved this green top. This is a cute sweater I got on Depop, and I'm just layering the collar over it. Super spring and girly. And this pink pleather and suede skirt. Super girly and cute, and I really liked how this one came out. So please follow me on Instagram and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.